Hello to my wild things. This is Cypris, and dude, you guys, I was not even planning on filming anything today. It is a work from home day. I'm trying to get some book work done before I even had breakfast this afternoon. Because why would you eat before 2 in the afternoon? I heard a rumbling in my driveway, and my mail lady brought me something. This is, unless something's wrong with it, this is my first ever vlogging camera. I have a great camera. You're looking through it right now. I have a Canon Rebel, but it's a T3. And when I bought this camera, I thought I was never going to need another camera in my life because it takes fantastic photographs, but it's not really designed to take film. The options are super limited. It will cut out on me after about 20 minutes of filming. It won't track focus. You have to focus it before you turn it on. There's lots of reasons this camera is not good for filming video. I did a lot of online research trying to figure out what camera would do minimally vlog without the camera doing this, and being able to see myself having a reverse monitor display. I'm talking too much, but what I finally discovered was Canon. I looked at a range of products, but I'm going to stick with Canon. Canon made a PowerShot, the SX50 HS. I don't actually know what those initials all stand for, but I've been watching eBay because that's where the cheapest ones are available. I was looking for something that still had a lens cap and that was gently used. I've been stalking these cameras for a while because I'm not going to get into a bidding war. I'm going to decide what I can pay for something. And I didn't want to do a full-on product review of this because it's a discontinued camera. And what value would that even be? Like I said, I wasn't even planning on filming today. This just dropped on my doorstep. It feels like magic when it just shows up unannounced. What was I even saying? I don't know. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. I get to meet my new camera. This is a tool that is going to help me to do what I'm trying to do. And it will benefit you guys like tons because you're going to have better quality images to look at rather than, like, you know, the camera shaking. It should handle low lighting better. It should hit lots of things. So anyway, I am rambling. Ooh, I probably need to change the blade on this little guy. Do you get, like, at Christmas time where you just almost don't even want to, like, unwrap things because it's so magical and exciting? I just want to bask. It's like the anticipation of it is just as good as the actual experience of the product. Oh, it's sick. There's a camera case, and here we go with the battery charger. Ooh, that's been well used. It's like dinged all over. Oh, these batteries are different than the one. It's good to know because I'll have to get some spare batteries. Okay, so charger, battery. I think there's another battery in the camera. Lens hood. I'm not 100% sure what the heck these are for, honestly. I'm going to have to look that up because I'm sure that they have a function. But I am such a novice with these things that my Rebel I've got 2 lens hoods for it, and I don't even use them because I'm still learning how to do all the things. Oh, this is the little mini tripod. The idea is, really, this is a vlogging type thing, right? Because you have something you can hold the camera with other than having to hold it like this. And it screws right into the, oh, there's no piece that comes off like on, oh, that makes sense because you're wielding it around. You wouldn't want the camera to come off very easily going all over Kingdom Come with it. But then this is also a tripod, and boy, that's pretty low. So you wouldn't really want to set it on a table, but it might still be really useful for whatever. So but I think I'm still going to need to get, I'm thinking I'm going to need a tripod that's about yay tall, like a short one, not my full-on tripod, and not quite this small, so that I can do interviews at a table, so I can actually put the camera, like wherever I'm at, I can set the camera on a table and interview somebody. But I have a feeling this is going to be really useful for like just being physically on the go. It's small, light, easy. Ultrapod 2. Man, who can get studying done when this kind of stuff's going on? I'll tell you. So that's it. We got the camera. The case looks newer than I wonder if, I'll bet these pieces weren't all like part of a set that was purchased all together. I bet I'm getting like a combination of things. Okay, so I think I've got extra straps I could put on this. I've seen these online. This is weird to me. There's openings on both ends. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh my goodness. You know, I had the sense that these were smaller than Rebels, but I guess it is a little bit. But this is a real camera. This is full size. And there's the lens. It does have a UV filter over it. My understanding is that UV filter has been on it like all the time, so it's always protected the lens cap, which was one of the things that was really appealing to me. Ooh, this lens cap is tighter, like more solidly on than the lens cap on my Rebel. Oh my goodness, this is a thing of beauty. I'm a Canon girl. It's cute. It is a little bit smaller than my Rebel, and it gives it this little dainty kind of a feeling, but it's still way heftier than one of those little tiny box cameras that just fit into the purse really nicely. But I don't care. I'll haul a heavy camera around. That's fine. I have found that when I'm out and about and filming, it's super awkward, right? To be even just taking still photos in groups of people. Like if you have any social anxiety at all, whipping out a camera is, you know, leveling that up and amplifying all of that, and it draws attention to you, and it's like, who are you to like be elbowing in and getting this shot, you know? And I have found that having a real camera, you look professional regardless of reality, and people will just part ways. I was at a performance of Loseling monks. They were doing one of their ceremonies, and they have this really cool, it's not quite singing, but it's like this chanting sort of thing. And I was getting into film, get some pictures of it, and everybody was there to see these guys. It was like really cool. There were like, I think, a crowd of 50 or more people there, all wanting to see these guys, and I'm taking photographs, wanting to get, and people just like parted ways for me. I guess they thought like I was official press or something. They just and they let me right up to the front. I'm like, what's going? And it's just because I had a real camera. So maybe you like the convenience of a small camera, but I'll tell you what, this is kind of a social lubricant in crowds, because people just assume that you know what you're doing. So little camera shooting hack there. Use a big carry a big camera. It feels good in my hands. So this is one of the key features. Oh, look at that. That made me need this kind of camera. I can actually see what's in the frame when I'm filming, make sure that I'm in the shot, make sure what I want to see is in the shot, and make sure that it's in focus. And it should keep focusing as it's recording, which is super exciting for me. It must have some kind of latch, magnetic or something. It's latching as it shuts. Oh goodness. So there it is. The only thing I have left to do is actually charge the batteries if they're not already charged. And oh, it's supposed to come with, there we go. Oh, they're both in the same spot. Oh, I guess they would be, wouldn't they? The other battery and a 64 gig memory chip. That's a super bonus, 64 gigs. Dang it. I think this was the right way. I don't want to break it. Oh, I turned it around. Okay. So I'm going to have to get another memory card or two just to be safe, and at least a couple more batteries. I'm finding that filming eats through these. I've been filming for not quite 30 minutes and I'm already down to a half of a battery on this one. Oh, okay. Canon Power Shot. This has got to be the camera's strap because it says Canon on it. And it's the kind of camera that it is. Oh yeah, and the manual. How awesome is that? That this person kept the manual and kept the manual in good shape. Oh, and there was supposed to be some extra, I don't know what that's for. There were supposed to be some extra lenses in. Oh. So, that's why there were extra lens caps, because they're on the lenses, but that's weird, it's only on one side. So one of these is supposed to be for filming under fluorescent lights. There's the UV, and this one's CPL, and I can't remember what that one's actually for. Something about cutting down reflectiveness in glass when you're filming, so you can shoot through glass and it doesn't cause as much of a mirror effect. FLD, the fluorescent light diffuser or filter or whatever this is. Oh, that's really cool. This case actually has little pockets for these things, and another lens cap. Okay, what's in here? Oh, a glass cleaning cloth, a fiber cloth. Oh yeah, I'd forgotten all about this. This is a really nice little bonus as well. This plugs into the camera, and it not remote, but like you can control the shutter without touching the camera, so it doesn't like get all bumpy and stuff as you do it. Also, I suppose it's not very long, but you could stand in front of the camera and do it if you were standing right in front of the camera. This is going to be actually super useful for working with the Rebel, because this is nice for my telephoto lens if I want to take photographs and I'm like zoomed way in. So this is this little number might end up going in my other camera bag for the Rebel. So I'll have to see. It's going to be so much fun getting familiar with all this equipment and sundry. So what was I even saying? I don't know. I got excited because I remembered there was more stuff in here. This is a jar opener. I don't know what it's for here. Anybody know? With this, I seriously think this is one of those rubber things for getting a grip on jars that are stuck shut. I'm not sure why this would be in the camera case. If you have a clue, let me know. I'm not familiar with what this is or why you would have one of those in here. I don't know. If nothing else, I needed one of these for opening jars, but I'm gonna wait and see if I can figure out what it is. So this is my new baby. Oh, did I say that in your shot of the cats? I didn't mean literally. I'm sorry. I think you can look forward to some better video from me, and Thanks for sharing this moment of joy with me. I didn't even take the time to put a full face of makeup on because I just wanted to tear into that box and discover my new best friend. Electronically, not in real life, you guys. Making the cat sad.
Until you're happy with what you get. Sometimes
So, how does this thing work?
I know where to hang something. I'll just throw it up in the air.
Looks like it's working.
Times until I get a bit time consuming. Those of us
Am I bugging you, baby? I want to see how this works. Oh, check it out. I can actually zoom while I'm recording. Hi. Thank you. I hope you had fun with me. And dude, you guys, remember always, always, always keep it wild. Bye.